In the beginning of the 20th century and much before the First World War, in pre-independence India's vibrant city of Bombay, there was a young boy by the name of Yashwant Keshav Padhe, who was at war with himself, trying to bring about a change in the field of magic for the entertainment of the masses. Professor Y.K. Padhe, as he was later popularly known, was a magician and used to perform several magic shows when the entertainment industry was at its infancy in India. He was intrigued and thrilled by the performance of a ventriloquist from England who was visiting India and thought of trying his hand at ventriloquism.
आपल्याला जर पैसा पाहिजे असला, दोन शब्द बोलायचे, फेस तो पैसे लो, पैसा मिळू शकेल.
Trying to add a new dimension to his existing art of magic, he conceived a puppet character on paper in mid-1916. And thus was born the character destined to rule the hearts of millions of Indians for years to come. He named this character Ardhavat Rao or Gappidas or Mr. Crazy. But during those days, he could perform and bring alive this character only with the help of masks made by him, as ventriloquial dummies were not easily available in India. He was searching for a ventriloquial dummy which would suit his character, and his quest came to an end when he placed an order for this particular dummy and got it delivered from England's famous Davenports and Company. Y.K. Padhe started adding more and more dummies to his collection.
बरं आता मी विचारतो, श्याम्या, 6 आण्याचा रवा, आलं का लक्षात? 6 आण्याचा रवा, रवीचा नवरा, अरे गाढवा.
And then finally started performing with a family of 4 characters, lovingly referred to as the family of dolls, headed by Ardhavat Rao.
आज गणेश चतुर्थी, गणपती कालच आणला पण भज्जी नाही अजून आला.
His wife, Avadabai,
गुरुजींना यायला 4 वाजणार आहेत असं निरोप आलाय त्यांचा.
and their 2 sons, Shamu and Gampu.
काचेची ग्लास आहेत, स्टीलची ग्लास आहेत, स्टेनलेस स्टीलची ग्लास आहेत, याची आहेत, त्याची आहेत, पाण्याचा ग्लास नाही.
However, the character Ardhavat Rao or Gappidas or Mr. Crazy easily became the show and scene stealer.
जरा इकडे बघा अर्धवटराव. हा, तुमच्या चेहऱ्यावरून तुमचा चेहरा सारांश दिसत आहे. हा, हो हो, म्हणा, म्हटलं नमस्कार करा या मंडळींना. तुमचा परिचय नाही, म्हणा नमस्कार, राम राम. बरं राम राम. आपलं नाव काय ते यांना सांगा बरं. काय आपलं नाव काय? दत्ता, याला खलबत्ता असं म्हणतात.
With his rising popularity, the idiosyncrasy of his puppet character Ardhavat Rao, the Hindi film industry took notice of Y.K. Padhe's art and thus used the puppet in the film Akeli Mat Jaiyo in the year 1963, starring Rajendra Jubilee Kumar.
मैं जानता हूँ जब से सीमा मेरी जिंदगी में आई है ना, तू जलने लगा है. याद रख, अकेला रह जाएगा.
मैं नहीं, तुम.
अरे मैं तो वो ऐश करूंगा कि तू देखता रह जाएगा.
सपने में?
सपने में नहीं, जागते में.
Y.K. Padhe's younger son Ramdas used to accompany him during his performances and slowly but steadily learnt the art from him. In the year 1967, with the untimely death of Y.K. Padhe, his son Ramdas took over the reins of this character and popularized it amongst people all over the country through India's national television, Doordarshan. Through the medium of television, the character Ardhavat Rao reached millions of households and made Ramdas Padhe and Aparna Padhe a household name. Ramdas travelled to different parts of the world and performed with this character on several television networks like NBC, ABC, CBS, Hong Kong TV and many more.
Rangdasa? Rangdasa? Kay Katara Ungan? Gani.
When Ramdas Padhye was performing at the Filmfare Awards in 1980, it caught the attention of Shri Amitabh Bachchan, who expressed his desire to portray the role of a ventriloquist in his film Mahan. And thus, R. Ardhavat Rao featured along with the superstar Amitabh Bachchan.
ठीक है तो कह रहा है।
तुम यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो?
अरे आधी बात हो चुकी, तू आधी बात कर ले। आज की इस रात को सुहाग रात कर ले।
वाह गुरु वाह, पता लिया ना।
अरे चल भाग यहाँ से।
जय ओम मंगलम सर्वमंगलम शुभ विवाह संपन्नम पुत्र प्राप्ति संपन्नम।
Ardhavat Rao also featured in Mahesh Kothare's super hit Marathi film Zapat Leela in the year 1993, along with the popular actor Lakshmikant Berde.
ओ अर्धवटराव कुणाला बघताय?
आवडी कुठे दिसते का बघतोय?
ए ती बघ आवडे.
आवडे हे आवडीचा बाप चिडला बघ.
ए गाडव, आवडेचा बाप काय म्हणतोस? तुकाराम हवालदार म्हण. अरे माझा होणारा सासरा आहे तो. ये बस बस.
With innumerable appearances on several television channels.
रुकया म्हणजे 16 आणे आणि माझी आवडी म्हणजे खणखणीत नाणे. मला तर अगदी हे गाणं ऐकून आवडाबाईचीच आठवण झाली. तेरे लवली आईज ने मेरे हार्ट पर ऐसा इफेक्ट किया कि सबको निग्लेक्ट किया और तुमको सिलेक्ट किया.
Stage shows.
काय
मला नादिन दिन ना
नाविन दिन ना
नादिन दिन ना
तीन दिन ना.
And ad films.
जरा चख के देखो बड़े मजेदार।
जरा खा के देखो बड़े लज्जतदार।
This character Ardhavat Rao turned 100 years of age in mid-2016 and is literally the eldest family member of the Padhye family. With Ramdas Padhye's eldest son, Satyajit, joining his father and performing independently, it became obvious and natural that Y.K. Padhye's beloved character would continue to regale generations to come through the new age, throaty wit and humor of Satyajit.
Hello friends. I hope you enjoyed my wife story. Oh, I'm sorry. My life story. It's been a long journey, but I cherish every moment of it. Only and only because of love and support of people like you. So, on this occasion, I would like to say only one thing. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me.